Discover the best plasma cutters for precise, fast, and clean metal cutting. Perfect for DIY projects, automotive work, and professional metal fabrication, these cutters combine power, efficiency, and ease of use to tackle any cutting task with confidence. Starting at number 1, LOTOS LTP5000D Plasma Cutter. The LOTOS LTP5000D is a powerful 50A non-touch pilot arc plasma cutter with dual voltage support on 120V 240V, allowing flexible use on both home and workshop power supplies. It delivers clean cuts up to about 5 in, 16mm, and severance cuts up to about 3/4, 20mm on conductive metals like mild steel, stainless steel, aluminum, copper, and alloy steel. The upgraded PCB and torch design boost cutting power and efficiency, while the pilot arc technology helps cut rough, painted, or rusty surfaces with minimal slag and longer consumable life. Lightweight and portable, it's suitable for DIY projects and light to medium fabrication tasks. Number 2. PRIMEWELD Cut 60 Plasma Cutter. The PRIMEWELD Cut 60 is a versatile 60 plasma cutter with dual voltage support, 110V 220V, and a non-touch pilot arc PT60 torch, giving you clean, precise cuts on a variety of metals. It features a digital display, front panel air gauge, and safety protections while handling light to medium cutting jobs with ease. Backed by a 3-year no-hassle warranty and US customer support, it's ideal for DIY users and professional fabricators alike. Number 3. TOOLIOM 50A Non-High Plasma Cutter. The TOOLIOM 50, a plasma cutter, features non-touch pilot arc technology, letting you start cuts without touching the metal for cleaner results and longer consumable life. It supports dual voltage, 110V 220 ohms V operation, making it flexible for different power setups and can deliver a clean cut up to about 1 hms, 12mm on conductive metals like mild steel, stainless steel, and copper. Built-in digital displays and an air pressure regulator help you monitor performance easily, while post-flow air cooling protects torch parts. This machine is a good choice for hobbyists and light to medium cutting tasks. Number 4. Hynade Plasma Cutter. The Hynade PLC 50D is a 50-amp high-frequency digital plasma cutter with dual voltage support, 110V 220V, making it adaptable for use in garages, workshops, or home projects. It uses IGBT inverter technology for efficient cutting and can handle a range of conductive metals like steel, stainless steel, aluminum, and copper. At 220V, it delivers quality cuts around 10mm and a maximum thickness up to 14mm, while at 110V, it still manages useful cutting performance. The machine includes a cutting torch, earth clamp, air hose, and regulator, and offers features like adjustable post-air time to help cool the torch and extend consumable life. Number 5. Hypertherm Powermax 30XP Plasma Cutter. The Hypertherm Powermax 30 XP is a professional-grade, highly portable 30, a plasma cutter designed for fast, clean cuts on electrically conductive metals like mild steel, stainless steel, and aluminum. It features dual voltage capability, 120V 240V with auto voltage TM technology, so you can plug it into standard household or workshop power supplies for versatile use. Its 2-in-1 design lets you make both powerful cuts on thicker metal and detailed cuts on thinner material using fine cutter consumables, and it's built tough for demanding jobs. The Aurora 8079 package includes a Duramax LT hand torch, consumables, work clamp, durable carry case, gloves, and safety glasses to get you cutting right away.